This video picks up right where we left off on test the ring. Now we're going to show you how to align the ring. Now there's a certain procedure that goes along with aligning the ring. First of all, you have to have all 7 coated pores. It's very important that you do them in a specific order. The unit itself will walk you through how to align the ring. So I'm going to select the align the ring. And it's going to ask me, do I want to restore the defaults? The default ring values will set you at a normal spot so that the ring can be read correctly. It'll give you a better start than if it has been beaten up. So I'm going to say, yes, let's restore the defaults, and it will put the default values in. And then I'm going to go back to the align ring, and I'm going to say no to the defaults. Now, it's telling me to insert the activator ring with the 0 code, which is nothing in the ring. It counts and it tells me when it's done. I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to grab my code 1 pore. I'm going to insert it in the ring, and I'm going to flip it over. And again, it tells me when it's done reading the ring. So I'm going to flip it over. Grab my code 2 pore, insert it in the ring, and it will count, and when it's done, it will tell me. And I'm going to invert it back up, grab my code 3 pore, insert it in the ring. It will count. When it's done, it tells me. I'll invert the ring, and I'll grab my code 4 pore. Now I'm going to invert the ring. It counts. When it's done, I invert it up, and I'll grab my code 5 pore, insert it into the ring, flip it over, counts. When it's done, I invert it back, and I grab my code 6 pore. I put it in the ring, invert it over. When it's done, I invert my ring, and I'm going to grab my code 7 pore. Put it in the ring. When it's done, I'm going to invert my ring, pull the pore out, and I'm going to exit the menu.